My name is Ayesha, and I'm an artist and a university professor. I live in Europe, and about 4 years ago I was diagnosed with my blood pressure was double what it is now, or what a normal blood pressure is. And I think, like many people, I've ended up coming here because when the doctors looked at me, the allopathic doctors checked me, they found that I was completely healthy and there was no reason why I had this condition. And actually one of my allopathic doctors said, you should come for Ayurvedic treatment. And so I thought about it, and many years passed, and then this year I came, and it's been an absolutely transformational experience. I think what is very unique about Ayurvedic treatment and Vaidyagrama in particular is how your illness is sort of looked at in a holistic way. So many of us may come here because we have an illness that is not diagnosed, and we're coming and we're thinking maybe there's a solution here. And I think there's lots of things in our lives that might throw us off balance. Maybe you've had a bereavement, maybe you've taken too many antibiotics, maybe you have too much stress. And I feel that what Vaidyagrama does is gives us a holistic experience. So you come here and it's an absolutely beautiful space. You're surrounded by trees and birds, and I'm at the gate of Vaidyagrama, so there's a lot of activity here, which is very nice. And there's so many things that happen in the day. You have all this treatment from the doctors, you have consultations, you have treatments that you take, but you also have prayers, and Satsangs is in the afternoon, which is when the doctors come and talk to you about Vaidyagrama and talk to you about Ayurvedic treatment, which is really kind, but also you realize is a part of the treatment, so you understand what it is that, like how your emotions and your mind and your way of life not only might contribute to your falling ill, but to how to have a good health through balancing these things out. And I remember my doctor was Dr. Ramanandan, and he was so careful and so patient. But I also had spiritual consultations with Dr. Ramdas, and this isn't where you talk about your individual problems, it's when you think about yourself and the whole world. And one of the things Dr. Ramdas says is, you should know the names of the birds. And I thought that was really nice, because he taught me the names of the birds, and when I look around now, I know the names of the birds, and it helps me to be more present. And one of the things here is that one of the things we do is we have a garden walk, and they teach you the names of all the plants, and you realize that you're in an environment where all the plants and all the trees are healing plants. And you know the names of them, and you know the names of the birds, and you meet other people who've come here also to heal with open minds and open hearts. And I think the whole experience takes you on a journey. I feel like it's completely changed my life. So thank you.